Hi, I'm Anthony, Principal GIIS Dubai. We are one of the fortunate schools which had just concluded the KFI financial program. It was extremely helpful for our students. They learnt about how to handle money, the kind of mistakes their parents would have made. They had the homework or the assignment of interacting with their families, and it also helped them know about the financial situation of their families. And today they shared that in front of everyone, and it's a big learning how to use credit cards, how to save funds for save emergency funds. Brilliant one. We had it last year too, but it was an online session. This time, thanks to the COVID protocols being lifted, we had it face to face. Wonderful program, very interactive. I thank KFI Global, I thank Dubai Islamic Bank for this initiative. I thank Merlin as well as Ms. Dana, who have been conducting the program for us. Thank you very much, KFI Global and DIB.